Welcome to this guided meditation for healing from burnout. If you've been feeling drained, mentally or physically exhausted, or overwhelmed by the demands of life, this practice will help you replenish your energy and restore balance. Find a quiet space, get comfortable and close your eyes. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs fully. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Inhale deeply again. And as you exhale, imagine releasing all the heaviness from your mind and body. Allow your breath to guide you into a place of calm and peace. Now, gently bring your awareness to how you're feeling. If you're experiencing burnout, it might feel like a lack of energy, exhaustion, or emotional numbness. How does your body feel right now? Is there tightness, tension, or heaviness? What thoughts or feelings are present? Are there specific areas in your life that feel most overwhelming at this moment? Is it work, relationships, or just the weight of all the things you need to do? Narrow down the exact reasons. Think for 5 minutes. It can be one reason or multiple things. If you finish before the next step, just focus on your breath. take a moment to acknowledge these feelings. Without judgment, simply observing what is. You don't need to push through these feelings. It's okay to rest, and it's okay to not have all the answers right now. You are doing the best you can, and that is enough. Ask yourself, what is it that I am holding on to? Is it the pressure to be constantly productive, the fear of letting others down, or the need to always appear strong? What expectations, either from yourself or others, have you been carrying? Imagine with every exhale that you are releasing these pressures, one by one. What would it feel like to let go of this weight? Can you surrender just for now to the possibility of peace and rest? Release what you don't need to carry any longer. Allow yourself to let go, even if just for this moment. Now imagine a warm, healing light surrounding you. This light is soft and comforting, like the warmth of the sun or the calm of a gentle breeze. It brings a sense of peace to every part of your body. Feel this light flowing through your body. Beginning at your head and moving down to your toes. Soothing your tired mind and body. As it moves, it melts away tension and exhaustion. Where does this healing light feel most needed? Does it feel comforting in your chest, your shoulders, or your head? Let this light reach those areas, dissolving fatigue, restoring balance, and bringing a sense of renewal. Now, visualize a stream of energy flowing into you, like a river of light or a vibrant wave. Feel it filling your body, replenishing your strength, bringing vitality back to every cell. Let this energy flow freely, restoring balance, clarity, and calmness to those places. Allow your mind to feel peaceful, your emotions to feel calm, and your body to feel rested and strong. Ask yourself, what do I need to feel nurtured and cared for right now? What would be the kindest thing I can do for myself today? Say to yourself, I deserve rest. I deserve to care for myself. I honor my need for recovery. And I trust that rest is part of the healing process. Recognize that it's not selfish to take time for yourself. It's necessary. You don't have to push through the exhaustion. You are allowed to take a break, and in doing so, you restore yourself to a place of strength. Repeat these affirmations silently in your mind, letting them sink deep into your being. I am worthy of rest and healing. My body and mind are recharging now. I am allowed to take a break and care for myself. Rest is an essential part of my strength. I trust that my energy is returning and that I will rise stronger. Feel these words filling you with the power of self-compassion and the understanding that healing is a process. Take a deep breath in, feeling the renewed energy filling your body. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Let yourself feel grounded in the knowing that it's okay to rest. That healing is happening, and that you will emerge from this feeling renewed and stronger. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Open your eyes when you feel ready. Know that healing is a continuous journey. Allow yourself to rest, replenish, and come back to your full strength at your own pace,